Hello, this is Santiago, realtor in Costa del Sol. Today we are gonna visit the best place of Malaga East. Normally in Costa del Sol, the nicer places are in the west side of Malaga, but I must say this summer I've been super surprised because there are a lot of people interested in developments of Rincon de la Victoria, and within Malaga East itself, Rincon is the area, to be honest, with more potential. It has 18 holes golf course, Añoreta Golf. It has a private school, Nova School, it's an international school in English, and it also has a lot of interesting new developments, which are beautiful sea views, walking distance to the beach, and good prices. Let's have a look at it.